Alright, it's been sitting, what, like a year?
At least.
At least a year. It's time to revive the dead. Let's revive the dead today. Alright.
Be careful, that might drop on
You got it. Oh boy. Oh fuck.
I got the hood. I'll just hold it.
Oh, let's give her a go. Okay. Well, the alarm didn't even go off. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh man. Yeah.
See if there's oil in it.
It's got oil, I believe. I don't think it has coolant. I know it doesn't have coolant. So let's see what happens.
It'll run fine. It's a Honda.
Yeah, it's a Honda. It should be fine. Oh man, this thing's been sitting way too long. All right, you ready for this? 157 is not even that much. Let's give her a go. Oh, no way. Oh, no, hang on. Oh, maybe not. No way. Oh shit. It runs. Wow. Sitting for a year, fires right up. Well, kinda. Sick.
Can't kill it if you try.
Can't kill a Honda, can you, bud?